Here we are, 12367, walking right on into this room. We have storage, robes, shelving, a big full-length mirror, your safe, and additional shelving. So you could really do a his and hers situation there. Turning on around, we have the bathroom. Oh my God, we found a Jenner's Patters cruising channel. And we have the bed. Ooh, look how pretty that is. You'll notice this type of design in the terminal as well, in the part of the terminal. Okay, so we have outlets over here, USB, regular, your mini fridge, shelving as well, your phone, waters, so much, your hair dryer. I really like that there's this big table. That's great. There's this bed here that someone can sleep on. Additionally, there's a Pullman bed in the ceiling, so that's fantastic. And this bed just looks super plush, like, hello. Little dinosaur saying hello, greeting you, ready. On the side of the bed, there is USB ports as well. And get this, a TV pops out of here. Oh, I don't know how to make that work, but we'll look outside really quick and show you what this is all about on this balcony. This is an amazing balcony. We have your table. Just the width of it actually is really nice. So not only is there the balcony door, but there's the window. So you have these lounge chairs, you have these chairs here, the glass so you can see through, so it's not obstructing your view, which is great. A look on down, you hit straight water, look to the side. Nothing's blocking your view at all. So really, really gorgeous. I love just how big this balcony is. This is really nice. This is what I like to see. That's gorgeous. And then we'll take you into the bathroom as well and show you a little bit more of this room. So in the bathroom here, it's just a tiny little step on up, but wow, we take a look. We have his and her showers in this bathroom. Absolutely amazing. Shampoo, shower gel, you got your steamer, you got those side water faucets. Wow, this is gorgeous. And then we have the countertop space down below as well. And the toilet here, amazing. This is a really nice room. Beautiful. Well, friends, that does it for this gorgeous stateroom. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you did, be sure to thumbs up and subscribe for more. Until next time, ciao for now.